Trading and investing get used as if they are the same activity. They're closer to opposites, and if nobody has ever spelled out the difference for you, that is a gap in how this gets taught, not a gap in you. Trading is a bet on where a price goes over hours, days, or weeks. A trader doesn't need the company to succeed. They need somebody else to pay a higher price fairly soon. That's a bet about other people and their behavior. Investing is buying a small piece of a business and holding it while that business earns money over years. You aren't relying on somebody else changing their mind. You're relying on the company selling more, earning more, and being worth more because of it. That difference explains why Smart Charts looks the way it does. We show 10 years of revenue, margins, and debt, because that is what matters if you own a business. We don't show minute-by-minute charts, because we aren't built for betting on the next hour. Both approaches exist. They just need completely different information. Every number here is on the page, with the date it came from. Smart Charts. The stock market, explained in plain English. Nothing here is financial advice.